Right, we're gonna go into gemstones and show you some of the settings and like how to add family members and stuff like that. So I'm gonna open up the Gemstone Light app. Yours will look similar. I have a light on mine as well as the gemstones. I'm gonna click on Matt's house. I'm actually gonna turn it off here. I'm gonna click on it. It doesn't matter if it's on or off. I just don't need it on right now. It's 12:54. So anyway, down at the bottom here, you have static, custom, timer, download setting. If I click setting, we're just gonna go over this. So like the pixels, this stuff you don't want to change. This is all stuff that the install team will set up. So like the pixels, this is the exact pixel count on your house. Sequence, this is all what has to be set up to. So if you get in here and change that stuff, it's going to mess up and all your lights may not work. And your animations will definitely be off. So I'm going to come back to this main screen where it says Matt's house and there's that little down arrow. Click that and then click on Home Management. Now this is where people can get a little confused because say you're trying to add your husband or your wife. You would think you're going to add family, but actually family is just the term used for a group of lights. So family does not mean your family members. Add a family would be if you had a whole separate gemstones installation, maybe on your pool house or something like that. So anyway, so click Home Management, then click Matt's house, or in your case, your last name, or whatever your file name is. Now this is where you can add a member. So as you can see, it has my phone number, and then you'll also see info@christmasguys.com as an ordinary member. That is for us to help you in the event that you need some help setting up a special sequence or something like that. This way we have easy access. So if you remove us, we will not be able to troubleshoot for you. But anyway, you go to add member. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you hit add member, this person needs to already have a Gemstones account. So now you can log into the same account, like husband and wife can just, here's my password, log into the Gemstones app, or both download the Gemstones Light app and set up an account with either your phone number or your email. Once they do that, you can call them, you can come into here, name them, you know, husband, or their name, country code, well, it's most likely going to be USA. And then if they use the phone number, do the phone number with the area code. If they did an email, do their email address. And then they can be a family administrator. So like the husband's probably and the wife are both family administrators, while maybe the children are just have access but can't add any additional members. That's the difference between administrator or just a regular ordinary member. Ordinary member cannot add new individuals. And once that happens, you click save, and it sends them a notification. So when they log into the app, they will be able to choose up here and choose your name. Now you can have more than one. So say you had more than just Matt's house. If I logged into the Christmas Guys account, it would have everybody's house. When I click this, it would have everyone's house. So I would just choose it and bring up that house to help troubleshoot. And that is how you would add a family member